यात्रा रखने में सहयोग दीजिए। कागज के टुकड़े और
सूर्यनगरी
कूड़ेदान में डालिए।
बांदा टर्मिनल जोधपुर सूर्यनगरी।
वरिष्ठ नागरिकों को उनके लिए आरक्षित एवं निर्धारित सीटों तक पहुंचने में मदद करें तथा उनको उनकी जगह पर बैठने दें। कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, जेब कचरों से सावधान रहें। ये लोग भीड़-भाड़ से फायदा उठाना जानते हैं। धन्यवाद।
बांदा टर्मिनल जोधपुर सूर्यनगरी एक्सप्रेस।
Make your mobile your ticket and save time and money. Passengers are requested that they should remain careful during their journey. Please make sure that there is no lying inside the train or under the seat. When you see any such object, please do not touch it. Inform the railway police or uniformed police employees immediately. It is possible that it may be an explosive. Active cooperation is expected from you. May I have your attention, please? The station is your property. Please help us keep the station and coaches clean. Please do not throw wrappers and fruit